Guys, you were doing amazing. Please don't let nobody make you feel bad about your body. You look good. Say to yourself, I look good. Happy Sunday, foodie lovers. How are you guys doing? I hope you went to church. Guys, check me out. Check me out. Guys, you were doing amazing. Please don't let nobody make you feel bad about your body. You look good. Say to yourself, I look good. Quick and a fast juice for somebody to lower the blood pressure. We know beetroot. It has a lot of benefits, guys. It can lower your blood pressure because it has a very high potassium in it. Just join me, my people. Let's do it very fast. You know we don't waste time here. Happy Sunday once more. I hope my foodie lovers, you went to church. I hope you went to church. I hope you went to church. I love you guys so much. This is my pineapple that I'm going to be using. And I'm also using my beetroot. The Netherlands always want to try to overshoot. I have lime inside of here and ginger that I'll be using. Let's take the beetroot, one of our major important ingredients. Beetroot has something called the nitrates, which turn into a substance that helps relax your blood vessel, making it easier for the blood to flow, and it will also lower the blood pressure. Our pineapple. Pineapple, we first of all know that it's very high in potassium, and which will help balance out the sodium in your body, and it will reduce the pressure on your blood vessel. And by that, it will cause your blood pressure to low. So when you have blood pressure that is high, it's very good to take pineapple and beetroot. Our ginger. Ginger helps to open up blood vessel and improve the circulation, making it easier for your heart to pump the blood. And because the heart can pump the blood well, it will lower the blood pressure. So it is very good to have ginger because like an opening, and we have our apple inside of it. Apple have an antioxidant that helps to relax the blood vessel and reduce inflammation, supporting the health blood pressure. So in all these food ingredients we have, guys, it's very important to know that beetroot, pineapple is very good for your blood flow, and to lower your blood pressure, taking medication. Try this natural remedy for a week and come back and thank me later. If you are going to be trying this remedy, guys, just drop that in the comment section below. My foodie love, if you have watched till this far, thank you so much for your love and for your support. And please don't forget to come back and tell me if you will give it a try. Just drop it for me in the comment section below. Try, and I will know that you're going to give it a try. Thank you so much and have a blessed Sunday, guys. Bye-bye. So guys, we are done with our beetroot. This is what I was able to get for her, and another bottle also for her. Give her, I think it will take her like 2 or 3 days. Try to make another one. Let me just have a try of what I made. Let me see if it's really good. Boy, yo, you don't mean it. It's so nice. Oh my God, it's so refreshing. Guys, I will come back and tell you after the 7 days that she took it, how she was feeling and how the blood pressure. But guys, beetroot is really, really good. I love you guys.